Hello and welcome back to another video on ways to make money online. Today we're going to talk about the 7 best affiliate marketing programs to join in 2020. This is for beginners, so if you're a beginner, you better stay put. This is going to help you a lot. So here we go. We all know what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is the process of selling someone else's product and making a commission on it, right? If you have not learned what affiliate marketing is, you can watch one of our earlier videos that will explain it. We have several videos on the subject, so you can watch any of those and they will explain how the process works. Now, to summarize it, you sell someone else's products and you make a commission on the sell, right? And what is so great about this is that it's done online, it's done over a computer, and you can do it at whatever time you want. So you're basically your own boss, you work at your own hours, and you're making money even while you sleep. This is the best part of it. It's a form of passive income. It's the type of income in which you don't have to be actively working to make money. This is that type of income in where even if you're sleeping, the web page is up. So if people go through the web page and decide to buy something, then you're gonna make money. And you might be thinking, well, I don't have money to invest on buying something and then selling it. You don't need to invest money. That's the best part about it too, that it's totally free. You just sign up to these places and all you need to do is promote it, right? So you take certain tools they give you, you maybe create your own as well, and then you use this to promote it in whatever channel has a lot of traffic. So something you want to do is probably create a YouTube page or a Facebook page, which will help you build a community to which you can advertise these products, and then they can buy them and you can make money on it. If you want to learn more about it, actually, I have a very good tip. Is you can go into the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a web page that will teach you how to build a better affiliate marketing strategy. So if you have the time, check them out. It's a very good way to get started, is to sign up to the Affiliates Club, because they have very good programs on how to build a successful affiliate marketing business. And that's what you want to do. That's how you get paid online without having to go to an office and listen to a boss and do all that kind of stuff. You can just work from home. You can work in your PJs, in your bed if you want to, right? And you can be making money even while you sleep. So let's get started with the first affiliate marketing program that I'm going to recommend to you. And the first one is going to be Clickbank. Clickbank is very good. It's a very big marketplace in which you are able to get the tools to promote someone else's product. So if you sign up to Clickbank, you're going to be able to find people's products and then create a personalized link that will teach you, that will help you direct people into your into the web page of the person who's selling this product. And if the person buys that product, you earn the commission. And the cool thing about Clickbank is that they have a lot of information on the products and how much people are earning on them, so you can have a very good guess of how much you're going to be making through promoting these products. Now, number 2 is going to be ShareACell. This is great because it provides a different set of tools. It provides a different set of people who are selling products, right? So you have stuff like Redbubble, you have master classes in there, right? So if you sell a master class, you earn a commission on it, and we all know how promoted and bought master classes are, right? So they provide a different type of products, and I totally suggest ShareACell to get your business started. And in honesty, if you are trying to get started, I would sign up as many as I can. This is why we're giving you 7 of the best affiliate marketing programs to sign up, because it is to your best interest to sign up to more than one, right? So ShareACell is another great one that you should check out. It has a lot of options that are very attractive to clients, so you could sell a lot of stuff through here. Now, the next one is going to be ClickFunnels. What is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is the difference between a website and a sales funnel, right? That's what they call themselves, and it's a websites and sales funnel builder for entrepreneurs, in which it guides your visitors step by step through the entire sales process, so they don't get confused and then it points your customers straight to the one product of service they need most to help them solve their problem, and it follows up with your visitors even after they leave your page. So it's a whole way of selling, a whole algorithm of selling that will sell for you, instead of you having to do all of these things and provide that customer service that will create future sales or some other sales that are not what they came in for. So for example, if they walk in trying to buy something that's too expensive and then they get offered something similar for a cheaper price, they might buy that, right? Or maybe they will buy the expensive one, and then you can show them other options or other kind of additional items that they could buy too, and if they feel like it, they'll buy them too, and that's more money for you. So ClickFunnels is a great way to sell. Now if you don't have a product, this is maybe not for you, but it's a great tool to know to create sales in case you do find another product that you need a web page to sell, right? And then on top of that, ClickFunnels has an affiliate program, so you can actually sell the ClickFunnels membership to other people. So if you know entrepreneurs that are looking for a better way to sell online, this is a great tool to show them, and just by referring it to them, you will get money. So make sure you check out and sign up for ClickFunnels. The next and fourth program that I'm going to talk about is going to be CJ Affiliates. CJ Affiliates is a form of affiliate marketplace such as Clickbank and such as ShareACell, as I mentioned before. You have a pool of products that you can choose from, and then you can promote those products to earn commissions on the sales, right? But why would I suggest another one? Because as I said before, it's very, or I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's very important that you sign up as many as you can, because it's the bigger the pool, the better the selection, you know. So you can choose better products that you believe more in, and you can maybe sell better than products that you wouldn't really use or you don't really have a market for. So I recommend you sign up to CJ Affiliates to widen your selection of products. Next we have Amazon. We have at Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is the affiliate program for Amazon. So basically you are able to promote Amazon's products, right? So Amazon has a list of products that you can take and promote, and if people buy them through your link, then you will get paid a commission on it. Amazon is a very, very, very trafficked and trusted webpage. So it's a great tool because sometimes when you send the link, maybe people click on it and they don't recognize the page and they feel a little uneasy about giving their information to a web page. But with Amazon, they don't hesitate. They know Amazon is safe. So it's a great tool to be able to sell Amazon's products. Number 6, and even though I already mentioned it, is going to be the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is probably one of the most important tools that I will recommend today in this video, because the Affiliates Club will bring you every single tool to be able to help you be able to grow your business, your affiliate marketing business, to its maximum potential, right? So the Affiliates Club is a webpage that will help you connect with other affiliate marketers. It will help you connect with some sellers. It will help you provide you with guidance through your affiliate marketing so that you can fully maximize your earning potential, right? So make sure you sign up to Affiliates Club. Again, I cannot stress enough how important this tool is. Make sure you sign up to it. And if you can, and if you want to invest on this business, if you actually want to put in a little bit of money, and I mean just a little bit because it's not expensive at all, you can buy the blueprint. The blueprint is going to help you reach that maximum potential. So make sure that you sign up, and if you can spare, I think it's $7. Yeah, right here it's $7. You can spare $7. I think you are going to be doing yourself a huge favor by checking out this blueprint, because it's going to help you just set up so quickly and start making money incredibly quick. So make sure you sign up. If you can buy the blueprint, you won't regret it at all. Next and final, we have your physical stores. What do I mean by physical stores? Some people usually, when they want to do some home remodeling or something like that, they go to places like Home Depot, right? And they buy their stuff right there on the moment, because they want to fix whatever they need to fix on the moment. Sometimes people go buy their electronics and they go to stores like Best Buy and they buy those electronics because they want to get their electronic on the moment. What happened was, though, with this whole situation with COVID, people are not going out as much anymore. People want to stay home. So people started buying stuff online way more than they used to before, which is great news for us, because this is the opportunity for us to help them get those products they're looking for, and maybe show them some products they haven't thought about but that they might need, or maybe show it to them at a price that it's accessible when they maybe thought it was super expensive. So why did I mention these two stores? Because these two stores have affiliate programs. You can sign up to their affiliate programs and you can promote those products as well. Remember, I said you need to sign up to as many as you can. This is another great way to do so, because these are probably products that you can go check out yourself at the store in person, right? And then come back, write about it, say, hey, this product was great because of this reason, that reason. This is going to help you do this. This is going to help you do that. You're going to be able to do this. You're going to be able to do that, right? And help them make the decision of buying it or not, and at the same time make a commission yourself. And even maybe find them some type of sale or promotion on the webpage. You know, sometimes they offer discounts for this type of marketers. So make sure to check them out. It's always a good way to sell something that's a little more physical that you can actually go check out before you sell it. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you watching our videos. We hope that you enjoy them, and we hope that these are helpful for you. If you like the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, and if you like the channel, please make sure to subscribe, because we're constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online. We're very thankful for your time, and we hope to see you again soon. Take care and see you later.